What is up, guys and girls? Hope you guys are doing great. I know that I am, after making $5,500 in 20 minutes trading. What was I trading? PIK. News came out that apparently Cheaper by the Dozen is going to be on Disney Plus. I loved that movie, at least the first one. Thought it was hilarious. So the thing is, when you have news that comes out and big names are in it, Disney, Caterpillar, John Deere, or such as, Department of Defense, when you get these big names, you get some nice action because everyone sees that news catalyst and they're like, ooh, that's good. You know, how good is it that Cheaper by the Dozen is going to be on Disney Plus? It's not, in the grand scheme of things, I don't think it's that big of a deal. But it was enough of a deal for PIK to get some nice trading today. And it was quick. There was no we'll see what the chart looks like now. I have no clue if it's when I left it fell below VWAP. It gave a nasty double top, hit the high of 330, which I saw as a daily level. Tapped it once, came down, tapped it again super fast, and it just flushed. And you had to be quick. And this is seconds I'm talking about. 2-3 seconds. If you held too long, you'd be down quite a bit. Luckily, I've been doing this a while. I've been stuck in those flushes plenty of times. I know what kind of action PIK was today, and it was very up and down. So, yeah, we'll shut that music off. We don't need that anymore. But here we go. PIK. Oh, that's not PIK. That's ACAN from PTSD from yesterday. Woo! So sure enough, here we are. PIK gave this nasty double top here. I was able to make a little bit, seeing this pattern here. Didn't make as much as I would have liked, just because I was holding for the break of 430, hoping for a continuation up to 5. Didn't happen. Came down ferociously. I mean, ferociously. And that's the kind of stock this was. Is that some stocks are steady and slow. Some stocks are just wild. And PIK was wild right out of the gates. And I was watching it. I called it on the Discord. It was the leading gapper on the list, so all eyes were on the stock. I had good news. Let's see. Let's go to live news here. Live news. Blah 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 blah. Teams up with Disney to celebrate the release of Cheaper by the Dozen on Disney Plus. It's like, okay, that's a pretty decent catalyst, because you see Disney anything, Apple anything, Department of Defense anything is a good catalyst. And sure enough, this thing gave a nice pop right at open. First 2 minutes of the day, we ripped from 330 up to 420. That's almost $1 move in 3 minutes. That's really good. Okay, and that's how I was able to make over $5,000 in the first. It really was the first 20 minutes. Now I stuck around for a half hour total. But after this false break here, after this false breakout and flush, because at one point this candle was green, it double topped here and it came up fast, and I was in for it. Not the best average, because I got chopped out in this tiny little pullback here, and it was disappointing because I sold half, but I still had half that I sold for a break even, if not a little loss. So it really came out to be not that great of a win. Now my highs, I was up 5,900. After this little diddly do, I was up only 5,600. I took one more stab. I think, where was it? Down here for this double bottom, thinking we'd get a double, kind of like an ABCD. It gave a little bit. Turns out my entry up by 383 was too high. Yes, I was up about 5 cents on the 7,500 shares. I was still possibly a $350 win if I'd taken it, but I was looking for a push to break the pivot here of 390-ish. It didn't happen, but still a great day. You had to be quick. This is not something that you can start trading right away when you're just starting out. This is pretty tough stuff to trade. Tough stuff to trade. So, but for those who love trading momentum, who have fast reaction times, who like video games, first person shooters, stuff like that, this stock proved to be very good. At least to those who could get on it. Now, there was other stocks moving in the day, such as INDO for a little bit, such as I don't know. Let me see. I forget these tickers so fast. I think it was this one. So this one is still moving now. Yeah, I could be trading it, and I probably should, but I figure making $5,600, $5,500 in 20 minutes. I don't want to get stuck in some flush with big size or get glitched and then lose it all. I mean, this is an above average day. I'm gonna take it. Looking here at this one, which I did call out in the Discord. So if you guys are serious about day trading, you need to join our Discord. That is a huge proponent of becoming successful. Okay. You need to get yourself surrounded by like-minded individuals. Plus, we talk every day about what stocks are looking good, and it's a place to vent your wins and your losses and your frustrations. You get it all out. You talk to someone about it. I mean, it's not like a recovery network, but the point is, it's good to be in a community, especially if you're serious about making this work. So if you're absolutely serious about trading, you need to join our Discord. It's in the description. Just join, and I think it will let you in automatically. I'd have to double check, but yes, do that. Also, please subscribe. It helps out tremendously. Helps me make more content for you. So with that said, let's do our final run through here. It was a short day. Okay, short day trading the stock that apparently cheaper by the dozen is gonna be on Disney Plus. So apparently that was good enough news for a nice move today, and I would say nice move. And that's nice after 2 days of chop. Lost 500 on Tuesday, only made $50 on Wednesday. Now Wednesday was a close call. I almost lost $2,500. In fact, I was red at one point, $2,500. So I kind of had a feeling that today we had a good shot at rebounding. The bulls were probably tired of being smacked around. Shorts were maybe caught off guard. And PIK proved to have a real nice catalyst for at least a small sustained pop. It wasn't like a major news catalyst where it's like the stock would run up to $20. I don't see that happening. Now, anything is possible, but I just don't see that happening. So I shut down early today. I'm going to be working on a video later today on how to get started day trading. I've filmed it 2 or 3 times now, and there's always like either the audio's not right or the video's covering half the screen. So I'm going to have to be redoing that video, but that's going to be up very soon. So please stay tuned for that. Subscribe, hit the bell, blah, blah, blah. Excuse me. So I think that's going to cut it for me for today. I'm not going to waste any more time. And we'll see what tomorrow has to offer. So, we'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. Best of luck. Manage your risk and keep at it. All right, guys. Take it easy.